All right, welcome back, everybody. We're back. We're going to attack this guy. This is the JVC Professional S, the BR-S611. If you guys saw the little walk around video, you saw, go back and look at it, because that's where we discuss this VTR, how it was used. It's an SVHS. It's like your ultimate VCR. Made for professional services, broadcast, editing. It's a pro deal. So we have an issue where you can put a tape in, but the transport doesn't get the tape all the way down in. There's a lot of churning going on, and then it won't take the tape out without help. So there's something going on. So let's take a look and see what we can do. Because this is a professional deck, this is handy. There's not much to take the hood off, because they were expecting engineering departments to regularly do maintenance on these, which would of course happen. Thus the you got your area here for your rails, for your rail system for rack mounting. So they would just slide it out of the rack and pop the hood off, and then they'd be to the races. Swapping out cards, swapping out heads, whatever they had to do. These things, these cards, like, you can just pop them in and out. Very handy and easy for engineers to get at. So our problem is here in the transport, this business. It is interesting too, if you have one of these decks and you're working on it and it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing, sometimes it could be because you have light shining directly into it. And there are photosensitive sensors in here, so that could also throw off the whole deal. That's the issue. You heard that. So there's something going on in there. One of these gears, I assume, is broke. They move, but so I think a belt is on there, is working, but it's just slipping, I think. So I think one of these gears has a break in it. But that's okay. That's mechanical, so we can fix that. This stuff over here, that's trouble. So at least all of this is working, I do believe. So let's turn this off and unplug it. This shoots out error code 41, by the way, which is definitely transport. So, let's get the transport system out. Alright, I think it's just these 4 screws. Take this ground off. Let's see what that does. Do not want to lose these screws. All this metal, very typical of professional gear, which we're very happy with. Okay. Next we got to take this off. Because there's this gear right inside here. That's... wonder if we can get a look at this. I think we have no choice but to take this apart. Wow, I haven't lost a screw yet. Shouldn't have said that. Okay, now this comes off. And we got to take this thing off here. This little shoe that's holding the gear on. I wonder if that's... oh, this is trouble. It's okay. I saw where it went. That thing went flying, but there it is. Okay. Spring assembly. Right there. There's a little freaking break. If that's what's doing all that rumbling around, wow. That is tiny. How the frig do you repair that? don't know what to do with that. Super glue? I don't know.